Hello, welcome back to this video, and in this video we'll be talking about we'll be solving this question, and probably you need to pause a bit to read the question clearly so that you can understand what's going on. Okay, and this is the second part. If you already read that, you can read this also. Now here it says using figure 8.2 and table 8.1, which is this one. Okay, these two, this figure and this table. Using this, describe the relationship between the hedgehog population density and the changes in the population of lapwings and red chunks. Now, I would say these are sort of very easy marks. These 3 marks are very easy to get. You just need to be a bit smart. Just figure out what do these people want. So we say the relationship between the hedgehog population density and the changes in the population of lapwings. So first variable is hedgehog population density, which is this one. So okay, we have 2 islands. We have North Island and we have South Island, right? This one has, we just have to figure out, this one has low density, and this one has absent, completely absent, right? So that's the first thing we have to understand. That's the first thing we have to figure out. Then the change in the population of lapwings and red chunks. So when there is no hedgehog population, absent completely, the lapwing and red chunk population increases. When there is low but there is, the population decreases. So you just write that the hedgehog population increase decreases the population of the lapwing and red chunk. See, as simple as that. And then you got a data over here. So you say for the first one, if hedgehog increases, you just mention in all contexts. If hedgehog increases, you can mention in the North Island, fewer hedgehog allow increase. Okay, there are fewer hedgehog. As we said here, so there is an increase. And you then talk about South Island, there are more hedgehog, and so there is decrease. And then you can just quote a value. That's all. You have to talk about this point, and then you have to quote a value, and then the other variable, and quote the value, and you have your marks. These are very easy marks. You just have to make sure you don't leave a place where your marks can be cut, right? And then suggest an explanation for the increase in the oyster catcher population on the South Island despite the increase in the hedgehog population. So yeah, you can just figure out that okay, this oyster catcher are special birds. Even though the hogs increase, they also increase. The hogs increase, they also increase, and they increase even more. When hogs increase. So probably they are not affected by hogs present, right? So why are they not affected? Maybe they do not feed on hog, and maybe hog do not feed on them. They don't have a relationship. And here we are given more specific reasons, and this just to give you an idea, what kind of answers you're supposed to be giving. So there is less competition. Okay, this competition thing is very important. It's very significant to be noted. Competition, right? This many a time you are supposed to be writing competition and terms like fittest and all that. So there is a competition here, and because there is no competition between these two, there is less competition between these two, hedgehog, and that's why maybe there is no decrease, because it's normal. For example, there are two groups, right? And it's supposed, and there is same food here, right? Same food. So probably if this group have to increase its number, this group have to decrease its number, unless otherwise this group do not feed on this. And that's what happens. This hedgehog and this lapwing and red shark, they sort of do not have they have a relationship, and that's why when this increase, this decrease, and so on. But these ones, oyster catcher, they do not have, there is less competition. They do not have a relationship of this kind. That's why the term competition is very important. It is supposed to be mentioned in such cases. Okay. Then hedgehogs mostly eat lapwing and red shank eggs, right? Yeah, so that's one point. Hedgehogs eat lapwing and red shank eggs. Don't eat. You can just write whatever you feel like, no, whatever you feel like. But then this is one of the points which can be written over here. You can just have to figure out yourself that okay, there is hedgehog. These are this one, they can eat eggs. Yeah, this one can eat eggs, the bird eggs. So probably they are eating the eggs of the lapwing and red shark, but they can't eat the eggs of the oyster catcher and all that thing. You can just have figure out. And the last thing is this explanation of speciation, which I think I explained here in the 6 points. Right, I mentioned the 6 points, and I even requested you to note them, this one. So hope you already note them and you will never forget them in order to get your full marks. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and I guess this will be all for the videos on questions for speciation. I don't think there are any other questions. Maybe we can come back to this question and this ones. Right, yeah, for now let me just say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.